Some bugs like to spend the winter hiding in your home. Check out a few tips to help keep these overwintering pests out of your house. 1. Seal entry points. Check for and seal any cracks and gaps near doors, windows, and your home's foundation. Repair or replace damaged window screens. 2. Eliminate moisture. Keeping your home and yard as dry as possible will help to keep bugs away. Repair leaky pipes and hoses, make sure your gutters are working properly, minimize standing water. 3. Remove food sources. If pests can find something to eat, they won't be quick to leave. Stink bugs feed on produce, so keep your fruit and vegetables in the refrigerator. If you have a garden, remove damaged fruit since this can be a snack for Asian lady beetles. Boxelder bugs feed on the seeds of boxelder trees, so you'll want to remove fallen seeds from your yard. 4. Keep your yard clean. Keeping your yard clean will help to minimize hiding spots. Remove yard debris and keep vegetation trimmed. Store firewood several feet from your home. 5. Change your light bulbs. Cluster flies and stink bugs are attracted to light. At night, keep your blinds shut to avoid attracting these pests. Swap white light bulbs for warm yellow bulbs since these are less attractive to pests. 6. Spray bugs away. Overwintering pests gather on the side of homes before sneaking inside. You can spray these bugs with a garden hose to remove them. 7. Create a protective barrier. Spraying the perimeter of your yard and home with a plant-based insecticide spray can help keep pests away. Our yard bug spray and home bug spray kill pests on contact and provide residual repellency. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.